at the sunset. Yay! Oh my gosh!
Video?
Ay, video ba yan? 2 pieces for one. Hi guys!
Guys, success. Mabilis lang immigration, basic.
Dahil na kami sa immigration, pupunta lang kami sa
Maharap.
Maharba Lounge.
Maharap. Sorry, where's your card?
Here,
Check.
at check. So, di kami nagdala ng luggage kasi winay namin. Yung dalawang luggage na pang 7 kilos is 5 kilos agad yung tinake niya. We're wearing backpacks. Which is much more convenient, I think.
Huwag puno ah.
We're here at Maharba Lounge. At tapos na kami kumain. Safe flight, Japan Airlines.
Knowledge Gate 112 Cebu Pacific Front Desk.
Touchdown! We're here in Thailand.
Hindi ka.
First meal of the day.
Ito ba, water tayo?
Yung kanilang BTS, tapos papunta na kami ngayon sa hotel. Straight ahead lang siya. By the way, yung BTS station namin is the Onat Station. Linis na kalsada dito. It's a Manila version, but the cleaner one. Hi guys! Good morning! We're finally here sa hotel and we're so happy because safe kami nakarating dito sa Bangkok. And yung flight namin, wala namang delays. On time kami nakarating around 10 a.m. Then we took 2 train rides, which is the first one is yung sa connected sa airport. And then nag-transfer kami to another line. Di ko masyadong memorize yung mga names, but ilalagay ko siya here or sa description kung ano yung mga tinake namin na route para makarating dito sa property. And pagdating namin, they provide us the welcome drink. Meron silang pa black tea. And then also, usually, ang check-in is around 2 pa or 3 p.m. But may availability na sila. So, nakapag-early check-in kami. Yay! Thank you so much! So, right now, nagpapahinga lang kami. Then, mag-shower. And later, we're gonna go somewhere exciting. So, we'll show you later. So, ngayon, nag-work lang muna yung husband ko. There. Ayan siya. Meron siya sariling workstation. Yeah. Sobrang busy niya. Kahit nag-travel or vacation. Is, you know, workaholic. Okay. I'm gonna show you the overall na room tour dito sa room natin. And it's really nice. Yung bed nila, ang soft, pati yung mismo pillow and yung blanket, talagang high quality yung mga ginamit. And aesthetic din yung dating ng hotel. And malinis at mabango. So good. Alright guys, ito nga pala yung room namin. Meron tayong sofa, yung bed, then ito yung luggage area, merong TV. This is a queen size bed, may lampshade both side, and then merong work table with vanity. Ito naman yung toilet area, shower, and toilet. And pwede tayong mag get ready with me video. Sagda na ako mag-shower. And let's look at the view. Ooh. Alright. Pwede magsampay. May sampayan dito. Nice. And yay! Ito yung ating view for today. We're gonna stay here for 3 nights. So until the 21st of April. Today is the 18th. And so far, we're so happy. Ang ganda ng property. Tapos, meron nating free water. Ayan, may free water. And mga tea and coffee. And the fridge. Small fridge. Nice. I love it. Alright, I'm done. Nakapag-shower na ako and nakapag-kilay na rin and the lip tint. Guys, ang aesthetic ng lamp niya, no? Nakakatawa. By the way, may share din pala ko sa inyo. Meron silang menu here and let's see kung anong mga available food. So far, as you can see, reasonable naman yung mga prices. Merong 135, meron yung 95 eh. It's a salad. In fairness mas mahal pa yung kinain namin kanina. But, ito, look at this, yung menu nila. May mga pasta, soup, what else? Para may idea din kayo kung ano yung mga ino-offer nilang food dito for room service. Oh, meron din silang mga steak. And reasonable yung price for me. Kasi kanina kumain kami sa mall outside the Onat station. Yung pinagbabaan namin dito. And expensive dun. But, look at this. May mga burgers, fries. Ooh. Diba? Imagine mo yan, for 95, meron ka ng stir-fried and mixed veggies. What else? Meron ding mga desserts and Asian dish with rice. Ayan, 125 lang. So, abot kaya siya, diba? And, sa likod, meron mga juices and tea. May beer din kung gusto mo mag-beer. In fairness And by the way, itong property na to, or the hotel. It's called the Hotel Amber Sukhumvit 85. Binook namin siya sa Klook, and for 3 nights it's only 8,000 something for 2, and that's already including a complimentary breakfast for 3 nights. So very sulit siya. And cute din ang salamin nila dito. Yeah. Inakatuwa dito, meron silang mga lagayan ng may hanger and sampayan. So, like what I did, sineparate ko na yung mga susutin ko. Kunyari, it's for day 1, day 2, yung mga OOTD. O diba, madali na lang, na maaayos mo na talaga siya. So, ayun, if you are also interested na magstay sa property na to, I think this is a good choice. Outfit check! Hey!
Uniqlo. Top Uniqlo pa.
Coffee lang. We're going outside. Yan yung property. Yan o. Look at that. Ooh. Diba ka na sa lobby?
Ano? 1?
Yep.
Ganda ng outfit ko. Bakit pag-shirt eh?
Grabe ko naman sa pang sa
Sure
shoe.
sa akin ba? Sa'yo okay lang. Sa akin hindi.
I-tutor ko kayo sa baba. Pogi mo naman. Wala na. Perfect na.
Mamaya ka na mag-tour lang kasi nag-abot tayo kasi.
Saan nga yung exit? Ito. Ayan. May convenience store sila na maliit. Thank you po.
Ang bait naman ng mga katong daliri. Ano dito? Katuwang.
Ito pala yung area kung sa time go breakfast tomorrow, sabi ng front desk. Diyan yan. It's breakfast included na. And that's the hotel name. Amber.
Ganda na ito. May selfie tayo dito. Ay, lang yan sa
Here, selfie daw kami.
Ganda.
Ay, nice. Pang my day. Ito pala yung sinasabi ko. So, pagka liko mo galing sa property, again, that's the hotel. Yeah, that. And then, lalabas ka lang, magle-left ka, galing sa hotel, and then straight lang tong street na to. And, ayan guys, so since ano na tayo, nasa corner na tayo ng street, tayo ay liliko na dito sa right. Tapos ang nakatuwa dito, meron mga spa. Napansin ko to kanina yan. Meron mga spa, and look at that. Diba, merong bakery, mga karinderya. Here. See, may mga karinderya. Tapos, tingnan nyo naman yung street dito sa location na to. Ang linis-linis. Tapos, straight ahead lang yan. Tapos, akit lang tayo. BTS na agad yun. So, since accessible yung location, marami ka talagang mapupuntahan. Diba? Safe area siya. Guys, we're going on a ride. Yes!
Sakay kami ng bangka.
Oh! Stop. Oh, okay, stop. Sobrang linis ng ano eme. Ayun, yung blue flag.
Kala ko, ano
Kasi ano daw blue flag para sa one way. It's 40 baht per person.
Akala ko, hindi ka ngayon sa atin, ang kulog.
Oo nga speedboat lang.
So, maganda sa taas tayo lang. Kahit mainit, bitin natin. Sige.
Wow. Hala, di natin alam kung saan yung Asiatic.
Maps mo. Maps mo lang.
Sige. Wow! Ang ganda! Guys, look at that. This is only 40 baht. Ayan na. May sightseeing ka na dito. And busy siya sa pagtitake ng mga pictures. Grabe. Sana may ganda din sa Ilog Pasig, no? Mainit lang. Guys, Asiatic. Maganda tayo sa gabi-gabi after natin mag-ano.
Pawin.
Cruise. Yeah. Down.
Asia Team สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier.
Big and too big step.
Guys, dito kami sa Asiatic and ang daming shops dito actually. Kakakuha lang namin ang ticket namin. And we're waiting for the 5 p.m. Boat ride. Ang ganda dito. Look at that! Love, picture mo ako dito, love.
Video?
Ay, video ba yan? Can you change? Turn up. Ito na yung cruise.
Look at
Guys, it's here, guys. Init. Pawis kami.
May naipayong pa. Naluto ko, okay lang ba?
Pogi naman yan, may dimple. The ticket. Thank you. Yay! No photo, pero may video. Guys, so dito na kami sa cruise. Ayan o. Ganda ng view mo dyan, love. Yes, we're here. Ayan na guys, kumuha na ako ng food. And I think this is laksa. Yung food yung Mikey. Love.
Hello, where are you from? Sit down! Here we go!
Hey!
Sit down!
Ayan na lang! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness.
A little bit dangerous.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Sobrang lapit. Isa pa. Meron pa isa. Meron pa isa lang. Brapoclao Bridge. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah.
Na naman sabihin.
Oh my gosh. I think this one, hindi siya ganun ka baba. Hindi kagaya ng isa kanina.
One
Woo! Yay! Kanina mababa eh. Ito, kayang-kaya. Yes! There. I love it.
Thank you so much. We're back. We're back to business. In a minute. In the front.
Ang ganda. Sobra.
Right, once again, everybody, we're back to Asia Tech. And with us, I want to say thank you for coming out here on Luxury Ride. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you, Vietnam. Samina, come on. Thank you, Vietnam.
Guys, we're officially done sa ating cruise. And it's so good. Sarap ng pagkain. Ganda ng music. Lively. And of course, it's so perfect. Sulit na sulit yung bayad. It's like around 3,000 something in peso for two. So mag-explore na kami dito sa Asia Tech location. Hopefully may makita kami mga something good. Look at that. Ganda dito. Daming shops. Meron dito ang Jurassic World.
Tara, pasok tayo dyan. Ano kaya?
I think that's a different ano. Ganda dito. Daming bilihan dito ang pasalubong lagi.
Ano yung pasalubok? Ang dami pang araw. Hindi na tayo babalik dito na.
Hindi na. Mura ba to? 100 baht shop. Ang daming option actually. Nakabagsak pa ako. Ito, 6 pieces for 99 baht. Sulit na ba yan? Tingnan ko nga kung meron dito. 2 pieces for 1. Yan, product. Medyo nakaka-overwhelm. Pag ganito karami, medyo paisip na ako kung bibili. Hindi. Ay, ito yun. Ito kailangan ako. Pauwi na kami. Ito mo, sobrang crowded ng mga tao. Yeah. We're going home. We're tired, but satisfied.